Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. I am not. I am suspicious. Uh, Hello, hello. Currently, I'm working on my research paper about the release of nuclear energy. Based on my research, nuclear energy is released not because of the conversion of mass into energy, as Einstein suggests, or special relativity says. In fact, the release of energy is because of a change in the state of matter. This can be substantiated through the study of spent nuclear fuel. If you go to the description of this page, you can find videos which are discussing about these. There are so many anomalies associated with spent nuclear fuel pellets. They still remains unexplained through the current understanding or current framework. So, based on my studies, release of energy in a nuclear reaction is not because of the conversion of mass into energy. Instead, it is because of a change in the state of matter. So, last December, hello. So last December, I participated in an international conference in JNU Delhi. I came Delhi last December. So this was my work. Now currently working on the research article. Chandradas. In fact, the universe, Big Bang theory. According to my understanding, universe is infinite. There is no beginning or end. It was there. It will be there forever. There is no beginning or end. Probably there will be some local universes like multi-universe. There may be a local region. Probably we are in a local region with probably many billions of light years across the universe, which has a diameter of many billions of light years. But that is a local universe. So there is no beginning or end. I don't believe in that. Monster Mug, strange name. I am working on my paper. I am working very hard to for the development of my research article now. Anshu, hi, hello. A school, the school is to train our mind to think, and anyway, we need a discipline, and we need a platform, we need a basement. So these all helps. The school system helps to because every mentally we will social equality will say human what every human is equal, but I will say that like in fact actually intellectually not everybody. I don't think that people are different with different people are born with different tastes, different capabilities. Somebody will be good in mathematics, somebody will be good in writing or painting, somebody will be athletic and body physically they'll be strong. So human are not equally made. So everybody has their so so it is we can say generally probably for some special type of people probably a schooling system may not be a necessity, but we can generalize that according to in my opinion. So school system is a necessity thing. As I said, different taste people. So anyway, it is going to a big changes. Probably there will be a huge change will happen soon because of the emergence of the artificial intelligence technology. Now I have entanglement. I think that as I discussed yesterday, space is filled with a form of substance. So there is no empty space exist. Space is filled with something. There is no empty space exist in the entire universe. So according to my research, mass defect creates a space filling form of matter. Mass defect, when a mass defect happens, the baryonic matter undergoes a rapid expansion and explosion. So baryonic matter converts into a non-baryonic form of matter. So that creates baryonic matter means nuclear density matter is extreme. Nuclear density is extreme density form of dense form of matter. So when this mass defect happens, this baryonic matter becomes a non-baryonic matter in a explosive through an explosive transformation. So as I said earlier, since mass defect is a universal phenomenon, every active star, every star, supernova, neutron collisions. So space is filled with this type of substance. But I think that space is filled with not only one type of particle. There may be different types of particles. Space filling through spatially matter produced by mass defects, that one type of particle. So there may be some kind of phenomena, for example, some black hole in black hole, or some places in the universe. There may be other type of more energetic reactions than nuclear mass defects. So such reactions may produce different types of is a possibility. So such events, such kind of reactions can generate different types of particles. So space filling substance is not only one type. So there may be many different type of particles. So light is carried by a type of particle like that. That is magnetic formation of a magnetic field or electric field. So they are found by one type of particle, and the light carries through that such propagate through such particle. So gravity, perhaps I sincerely think that gravity travels much faster than the speed of light. Now the current understanding of the speed of gravity is from the detection of gravitational wave. Since this interferometer setups across the LIGO, specifically LIGO Virgo collaboration detected the type of ripples. But I don't think it's a gravitational wave. It is, as I said, just like if you throw a small tiny sand particle in water, it creates a very tiny ripple, and it will vanish. Since the amplitude is energy is very low, very less, it will disappear very fast. If you throw a small stone, it creates a more amplitude or high energy waves. So if you throw a mountain in an ocean, it creates a still bigger wave. So how much energy you put, the impact or the distance it can travel, that is change. So when a individual fission, when a uranium atom splits, it creates a ripple surrounds around it. So it can reach very small distance. Its energy is very low. But if you explode a bomb, a nuclear bomb, it creates a ripple. It can reach farther. But if you like a supernova explosion or a black hole merger happens, the mass defect is enormous, cosmic scale mass defects. So such kind of mass defect can create ripples that can travel probably billions of light years. I sincerely believe that what the LIGO Virgo collaboration detected, this kind of ripples. So some billions of light years away, this kind of large scale mass defect happened, and the ripples of that mass defect reached Earth. So when such a ripple passes through the arms of a LIGO or Virgo, it creates light. When light passes through, laser beam passes through this ripple, its speed will change. So it creates since it's a ripple is a density variations, lighter density, higher density, low density. So when this ripple passes, when the laser beam passes through this ripple, it can change its speed. So it can create an interference pattern. So I think that the LIGO Virgo collaboration detected this kind of ripples, not space-time gravitational wave. I am suspicious about the existence of a gravitational wave. So what I'm I come to the point now. According to the current belief, yes, academic field or scientists believe that since the light source, the detected ripples by LIGO and Virgo, that matches with the detection of the light from the same source, almost same time. So they thought that they now believe that the gravitational wave, the speed of gravity is the speed of light. That is wrong, actually. In my opinion, that is wrong. They detected something else. That is perhaps ripples created by ripples in the space-filling substance created by large cosmic scale mass defects. So this is nothing related to gravity. Gravity is much faster than the speed of light, according to my understanding. So light gravity is propagated through, as I said, the different types of particles. So I'm now come to the entanglement. Probably this entanglement, this connection, probably is such mm, signals or such energy passes through a different types of space filling particles. Now, interesting thing is that telepathic signals. Telepathic signals, but I believe in telepathic type signals. So even I have some personal experience, and from many other experience, some other people's experiences. I think that telepathy signals are real. We can communicate uh, other people through telepathically means without, it's not electromagnetic wave. This has some kind of different types of disturbances or signals in space. Probably I don't know whether that is also a type of entanglement phenomenon. I don't know about that, but such kind of signals exist. So probably that may provide a new insight into entanglement. Probably entanglement is that kind of energy propagate through some kind of particles. The baseline is that our understanding is of the universe is very limited. We are still playing, as Newton famously said, I am a small child playing in the shore of the large ocean, the shore of a large ocean of knowledge. So I think that is more accurate. We are in our baby steps in the understanding of the universe, because from my experience I can tell like this, because now I realized that mass defect creates energy because of a change in the state of matter, and the space is filled with this type of matter. If space is filled with something, the space inside an atom also must be filled with this type of matter. So the structure of the atom, atomic structure, needs to be corrected. And once we realize that space is filled with something, the constancy of light speed will get challenged. The speed of light is not a universal constant. It varies across the universe. And also, gravity is not a curved space-time. Gravity is an attractive force. The Einstein's observation, like gravitational wave, this starlight bending, all these phenomena can be explained in a better way with the space-filling substance. Gravity is an attractive force. Because of the space-filling substance is gravitationally, it's a type of matter. It is gravitationally bound, gravitationally attracted to massive bodies. So every massive body maintains a density gradient around it. So when a beam of light, when a photon passes through this gradient, light will get slow down and it will get refracted. Now another argument is that the known chromatic dispersion of light near a massive body. So like that is gravitational lensing. When you closely observe gravitational bending or gravitational lensing, these the reflection or the deflection of light is independent of its wavelength. Every wavelength of light deflects almost equally. So some scientists argue that because this non-chromatic deflection, so it is not a refraction. It's not wavelength dependent. The deflection or the bending of light is not consistent with normal refraction. Like when you pass a beam of light through a prism, the prism splits light according to its wavelength. But this is not the case. In a gravitational bending or gravitational lensing effect, all the light bent almost equally. So they consider that this is because of the curved space-time. This is considered as the evidence of curved space, but I am saying no, that is not the case. In fact, this non-baryonic matter refract light almost in the same way. It has a high Abbe number, so this non-chromatic matter don't behave like a baryonic matter. Non-baryonic matter has a different property. So it refracts light in a different way. So because of this non-chromatic dispersion, one cannot argue that it is because of the curved because of curved space-time. Curved space-time is a wrong idea. So now now my book. I have recently published a book it is a test for general relativity. So that book is available for free for the coming 5 days. It is if you are interested, you can get the book at free of cost. I'll share the link. If you are interested, you can purchase the book from Amazon Kindle. It's a Kindle format. If you are interested, you can purchase now. It's available for next 5 days. It's free. You can get it for free. My request is, please, if you buy a book, please comment and give your rating to this book. It will be helpful for me. So please, if you buy a book, please rate and write a comment on it. Thank you for your interest. Thank you very much. Yeah, I have published a book sometimes back, Either Assist. Either is another term I would like to call is a modern either, because I don't ancient people believed in the existence of a space-filling either. So, so I don't want to introduce a new name for this space-filling substance. I like to call modern either. So that's what the space-filling substance, the same thing only. So this modern ether is a type of matter, a lightest non-baryonic form of matter created by mass defects throughout the universe. So as a form of matter, it is gravitationally attracted to massive bodies. So every massive body maintains a density, a dense region around it. So this ether is a co-moves when, for example, Earth has a shield of, or Earth is covered by this this region. So when Earth moves, the region also co-moves. So it creates a local region around the Earth. Every object, whether stars, black holes, neutron stars, planets, Earth, moons, every massive body, because of uh, is it gravitationally attract this space filling substance, and every massive body has a density gradient around it. This can explain starlight bending, gravitational lensing, starlight gravitational time dilation, precession of the perihelion of Mercury's orbit, Shapiro effect, gravitational redshift, blue shift, and also the space filling matter helps to explain Lorentz transformation effects such as length contraction, time dilation due to speed, increasing mass of a moving body, wave nature of matter. All these phenomena can be reinterpreted with this space filling substance. Now, this book, hello, hello, hello. Dark purple, hello, hello, hello. When you study from your own experience, that you will feel hello, 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 hello. So when you study yourself, you will feel you'll feel, you will the mind process, the thought process. All this helps to memorize it. Register deeply. So when you copy something, something, or that the brain, the process, I think because of the process of brain, when you self-study, it register because you consider all the possibilities. So it register very well. Probably that may be the answer. Thank you for your question. Hello, thank you, thank you. Where are you from? You're from? Okay, great. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Sagar. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Uh, I don't have a direct answer for uh, your question, but I tell you from my experience. I don't comment. Uh, when I was some years back, when I struggled so much, when I feel like very desperate, very lost feeling, then I sit and watch World War Second. It is available well. There are footage available. You can, if you search YouTube, you can find World War Second footage. The terror people faced starvation, mass killing, uh, and all the evil this. So I watch. So I compare with that uh, my situation with that. When I was very desperate situation, I used to watch such. I watched this World War Second. So that way, then I realized now we have uh, see we have a peaceful country, we have resources, we have time. Time is equal for everybody. Rich, poor, king, beggar. It is for time is for same for everyone. So people in those this war time, especially in the Second World War time, how many millions of people died in what kind of situation they went through. So comparatively, we are how much blessed we are. So that's one. I without food, without water, without cloth, without shelter. Anytime I will one bullet will come or the people opposite enemy will catch. So that's such a scenario. So when we compare with such a so I that footage in fact helped me to overcome when I was in a very this happens sometimes in our life. It will happen, but good time will come. So don't worry, you will find a way. Hello, hello. Sagar, I'm not a mm, uh, I'm not a professional to uh, advise this kind of. This only I want to tell you is that uh, people, even now, even now, there some areas of the world, people are suffering and people are getting tortured, kidnapped, murdered. All these are happening. So we are. I think you are from India, no? You are from India. So yeah, we are is our country is a peaceful country here compared to other places, many places on earth. We are in a better position. So yeah, okay. So we are in a better position. So this will change. You work hard. You concentrate on something. You will find a way. Okay. I don't have anything much to tell, but from my personal experience, uh, when you see, uh, when you look up, there will be many people in a better living standards or better situation. But at the same, you can look down also. There may be millions of people they are suffering, and such people also exist. So use your uh, okay. Hey, please. Yeah, I can. Here I discuss about new physics project that uh, discuss about relativity, uh, mass energy equivalence, such as things. That topic I discuss here. Our audience also interested in such topic. So uh, thank you for joining this discussion. Be Now summer started. Is okay. So hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. hello Chandrasekhar. Uh, I think better you can ask any artificial intelligence AI like Gemini how to improve confidence, or probably it will give you more accurate. There are techniques you can ask AI actually. The AI can give you a better answer than me. I am here this channel I discuss about physics concepts, fundamental concepts. This public speaking and such thing. I think you better you can ask any AI like Gemini GPT. Hello. Maurya Ketan. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Hello. AI not only physics, it helps even my experience. From my experience, I am able to scrutinize, criticize, see in a critical way. I can see uh, my ideas, my theories with a critical point of view. So it is helping me a lot. AI is in fact AI is very much helping me. So it definitely it will impact in every field of science. Not only science, every field of uh, philosophy. Uh, yes. See, my journey started 1994. I am 52 years old. Uh, I suspected about the idea that mass and energy are interchangeable. Uh, I made a note in my oldest notebook that that may not be correct. Uh, mass defect releases energy because of an explosion. Just like a chemical explosion, a nuclear energy is also released because of a explosive mechanism. Just like how a chemical explosion works, it's a change in the state of matter that when an explosive material reacts with oxygen, it will become superheated gas in a fraction of a second. So it creates a powerful explosion. So I thought nuclear explosion also, or nuclear energy is also released because of a change in the state of matter. That was the beginning of my research journey. Then I have published many books, and I attended some international conferences, and many conferences invited me, but I am an independent researcher. Because my financial constraints, and unable to attend many of conferences. Uh, Hello. Akash Singh. Hello. I am weak in Hindi. I can't speak fluently in Hindi. Uh, so sorry for that. Okay. I am weak in Hindi, so I can't speak in Hindi. Uh, I am from South India. Yeah, where are you from? Which place? Okay. The place, where are you from? Okay, okay. Hello, hi, hello, hello, hello. I am from Bangalore. Bangalore. Okay. What's the temperature there now? Current temperature? Here I think some 20. I think summer started, but still snowing. Yeah, most of the day I will come. Okay, if your tomorrow chemistry board exam, please you go and study now. I think that will be a good thing to do now for you. See you later. Prepare for your exam. That is more important. No. Hello, 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 hello. -2 degree. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Wish you very best. Perform well. See you later. Hello, hello. Yeah. Okay. Good luck. Good luck. Prepare for your exam. Write well. See you later. See you tomorrow. Lil Savage, what are you doing? From where are you? Okay. What are you doing? Okay. Uh, According to this research, my research, uh, mass and energy are different, entirely different thing. But you are studying in your first BSc, so you don't so you don't write my this is new study, new research. So you can write, if you write this answer, you will not get any mark. So I am warning you. That's what I asked initially. So according to new research, mass and energy are two different entities. Mass uh, defect releases energy not because of the conversion of mass into energy. Instead, because of a change in the state of matter. You know about uh, uh, chemical explosion. Chemical explosion happens because of a change in the state of matter. For example, an explosive, when an explosive reacts with the oxygen, it in a fraction of a second it will rapidly expand and explode. So this is rapid expansion makes the happen the explosion. So chemical explosion is release chemical explosion release energy because of the change in the state of matter, an explosive change in the state of matter. So according to my studies, my research, the nuclear reaction also releases energy in the same way how a chemical explosion releases energy. That means the mass defect in a nuclear reaction creates a powerful explosion, an impulsive energy release. So this can be validated through the study of spent nuclear fuel. Spent nuclear fuel means, I hope you know what is spent nuclear fuel. Spent nuclear means the waste material collected from a nuclear reactor. So after the energy is once the energy output become non-economical, the engineers remove these fuel pellets from its the fuel assembly. So then they will allow them to they put in a pool, water pool, and it allow to cool. Then they shift to another safe place. So the material, the fuel, spent nuclear fuel material, when you okay, so when you closely observe this material through microscope, you can find many different types of changes. There are structural and morphological changes. We can see this in this material. However, many of the changes in the pellet remain unexplained through the current framework. Currently, we do not have an explanation for many of the changes that happens to spent nuclear fuel. Still, such changes remains unexplained. So, according to my research, mass defect releases energy not because of the conversion of, as I said earlier, not because of the conversion of mass into energy. Instead, it creates a powerful explosion. When a mass defect happens, it rapidly, volumetrically expand and explode. The mass defect happens to baryonic matter like proton, neutron. So when they fuse or split, there is a missing mass. That is a baryonic matter missing. That matter becomes a non-baryonic state. So baryonic state of matter is converted into non-baryonic form of matter. So it's a physical change. So the nuclear density matter very rapidly expand and explode. So it very rapidly expand. It change its state. So when this happens, it push. For example, when a split nuclear uranium-235 splits, the exploding mass will push this fragments apart. So the kinetic energy of the reaction products gain its kinetic energy from in two ways. The one is the Coulombic repulsion, and another one is the this explosive transformation of the mass defect. So now the important point is that mass defect is a universal phenomenon. Every star, every supernova explosion, black hole merger, neutron star collisions, these kind of phenomena creates mass defect on a cosmic scale. For example, when a supernova explosion happens, a huge amount of matter mass defect happens, and this whole mass defect becomes a non-baryonic form of matter substance. So it creates a powerful, gigantic tsunami of pressure wave. So this is happening throughout the universe, and the entire universe, every galaxy. Our galaxy consists of, according to the current estimation, 200 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy alone. So stars in every galaxy creates a large amount of mass defect. So each galaxy acts as a factory of the space filling substance. Each galaxy acts as a gigantic factory of this space-filling substance. So the space is filled with this type of thing. So this can explain all phenomena. This matter or this space-filling substance can provide a better explanation for all phenomena, which we currently explain through the framework of special relativity, general relativity, and quantum mechanics. So if you want to know more about my theories, I have published many videos in my channel. You can watch my videos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, at present, I am preparing my research article for peer review. So I am focused on my work, and so in fact, I like to talk people like you who are interested in physics and all that. So I come. Sometimes I come online to discuss with, I meet my friends and discuss with in science people who are interested in physics and science. So now I'm working on my research article. It's a very complicated because I have a large number of paper I have, because the specialty of physics is, especially fundamental physics, is that once you once you get to know that something is at the fundamental level I am talking, if you find a fundamental problem in any area of physics, it will impact other areas. So once you realize that speed of light is not a universal constant, it will impact all other branches, all other areas of study. So that is a challenge. That is a good thing, and at the same time it's a challenging also. So I challenge Einstein's master equivalence. So it is linked to every other areas. So it is interconnected. So it's very difficult to go forward. So now anyway, I'm my research article working on research, and also probably I am attending some international conference soon. Last December, I attended a conference in New Delhi, an international conference, and another conference is coming in UK. One conference is coming, so I am preparing a conference preparation also I am doing. So I am busy with my research work. Which you are from which place? Hello, hello, hello. Are you Malayali? Where are you from? Hello, hello, hello. Nilesh Kumar. Okay. Here. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Good. Nilesh Kumar. Hello, hello, hello. I am. This is a new physics project. I am discussing about my research. Okay. Right. Okay. Uh, I'm doing research. I have, according to my research, there are serious issues with the current understanding of the universe. I am challenging Einstein's mass energy equivalence. If you are interested, you can go read the description. If you go to description of this live streaming, you'll get a better understanding of my work. I given a short description of my work and about my research. You can, if you are interested, you can go to that. According to my studies, uh, mass and energy are not the same. They are totally different, two different entities. And the release of energy in a nuclear reaction is not because of the conversion of mass into energy. Instead, it is caused by a change in the state of matter. It has a huge significance in the understanding of the universe. According to this study, special relativity, general relativity, and all phenomena, for example, starlight bending, gravitational lensing, such phenomena are explained through the framework of space-time curvature, curved space-time framework. But according to my research, that is a not accurate description of the universe. In fact, this phenomena, the starlight bending, gravitational lensing, are not because of the curved space-time. Hello, 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 hello. So it is not because of the curved space-time. There is a better explanation for this all this phenomena. So if you're interested, you can read my description of this video. And also I published many videos in this channel. You can. And also I have published many videos in this channel. And also I have published some books also. Now recently I published a book about to test a test for general relativity. So it's very interesting work which can validate or invalidate special general relativity. If you are interested, I'll share it. Now the book is free for the coming 5 days. The book is available for free in the Kindle format. You can download to your mobile if you want. This is the book. So this is my latest book, a falsifiable test of general relativity, the collocated clock experiment. This book is basically is a decisive test for general relativity. This test has outcome, two probable outcome. One is the validation of general relativity, and the other one is the invalidation of general relativity. However, my research says that this test can invalidate general relativity. So it's a beautiful experiment with two different types of clock. One is atomic clock and one is nuclear clock. And if you go to that book description, you will get more information about how this test works. And it's very interesting work. Now it is available for free. If somebody want to purchase this book in 5 days, for the next coming 5 days, the book is free. You can download it to your mobile. We don't need to pay anything. After it will become, you have to pay. And printed version also is there. If you are interested to purchase my printed book, you can purchase. One second. Hello, yeah. Here I discuss about a new physics project, and you can ask questions related to relativity, uh, mainly relativity, mass energy equivalence, and all that. Hello, Nayan Yadav. Hello. Namaste. Hello. Now I am preparing my research article on how mass defect releases energy. The last December I participated in an international conference in Delhi, JNU University. Now probably I am preparing for another conference, UK, nuclear physics conference, and I am preparing my research article for peer review. And I have published many books. Now recently I published a book. I given the link to my book. That book is available for free for the coming 5 days. Kindle format. If you are interested, you can purchase from Amazon without paying. For 5 days it will be free. It's a test for general relativity. Okay, okay. Thank you for sharing that news. You are from? I'll come back in 1 minute. I'll come back. there's a better explanation for uh, the release of energy in nuclear reaction. Uh, hello, 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 hi, hi. Ashwin, brief view of my research. Uh, my research says that space is not empty and the speed of light is not a universal constant. Light speed varies across the universe. Light does not have a constant speed. Uh, Light, in fact, travels within a solar system. Within the solar system, light travels at its maximum speed at the farthest edge of the solar system. Now, if you think about the Milky Way galaxy, light travels at its maximum speed within the Milky Way galaxy at the farthest edge of the galaxy. So if you consider two galaxies, light will be traveling at its maximum speed in the median region. There is the lowest density of space-filling substance. So the speed of light is depends on the local density of space-filling substance. Yes. So this substance is created by mass defects throughout the universe. Mass defect is happening throughout the universe. Every star, every black hole merger, every supernova explosion, every neutron collisions, and a collapsing star into the galactic center, black hole, supermassive black hole, and probably other star collision between stars. So this mass defect, all the mass defects creates this type of substance or space-filling substance. So the entire universe is filled with this type of matter. So because of the density variations, light speed will vary across the universe. Light does not have a universal constant speed. And this space-filling substance explains all phenomena which we currently study and explore through the lens of special relativity, general relativity, and quantum mechanics. Lorentz transformation effects such as length contraction, time dilation, increasing mass of a moving body in general relativity, starlight bending, gravitational lensing, gravitational time dilation, the orbital anomaly of orbital behavior of planet Mercury, the precession of the perihelion of Mercury's orbit, the orbital behavior of S2 star near the galactic center. All these phenomena can be explained in a better accuracy through this space-filling substance. Hello, 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 hello. That is I have a long answer for that. My answer is many people ask me the same question. My answer for the question is that this is a little long answer. Hello. That's what. See, if you go back to the history of the technological and the scientific and technological development of human history, our some 500 years, our technological development only has means modern technology has under 500 years. So in 500 years, now we have invented different types of engines, transportation, communication systems, power generation system, all that. Now we have, then later we invented a computer, internet. Now we have artificial intelligence technology. Now the, hello. Now with the help of this artificial intelligence, our development, the pace, the speed of progress will astronomically change. So now we are probably we will achieve AGI, artificial general intelligence, in a few years. So we don't know then what will happen. We don't know. We can't predict what will be the next. So what I am saying is that if some civilization exists somewhere in the universe, and their technological advancement started some million years ago, for example, what will be their technology or their current technology? Their technology will be unimaginable to us. So perhaps it is a possibility. I used to think like that. So perhaps we are the creation of some advanced civilization. Probably they can through some ways they can seed life in some other planets. So perhaps we are created by some. That is a possibility. Just a simple possibility. Just what I thought. Hello. Yeah. Exactly. Yes, exactly. This is what yesterday I was discussing about this. In fact, I believe that this UFO technology, UFO kind of crafts, they are utilizing this kind of technology for propulsion, for time manipulation, because gravitational time dilation, for example, near the Earth surface or near a massive body, since the density is greater, space-filling substance density is greater, an electron electron in an atomic clock the vibratory frequency of the electron will be influenced by the density gradient. So if you go up, when you increase altitude, the density will decrease and its vibratory frequency is less influenced by this low density space filling region. So if you are somehow able to create a extreme density space filling substance surrounding your craft, your vehicle, or uh, your uh, vehicle, you are uh, that way you can manipulate the flow of time if you are able to uh, create a space in extreme space filling density. Then time will go in a slower rate. So perhaps because why there's a I read or many some stories about UFO incidents. So many people discuss about the time dilation in close vicinity of this kind of crafts. Hello, Neeraj. Hello. Yes. Wash. Wash. Vacuum. Vacuum. Uh, I can read your. Yes. Yes. Exactly. Near the Earth or near any massive body, the density is greater. So that explains the time dilation effect we observed in atomic clock. That is spark. The uh, what is the name of that? The spark can create a spark. Yeah, that is see 11 when you 11 volt or higher thousands of volt like 11 volt 11 kV line, it creates a spark when you can so many videos are there in high tension wire when the repair work happens, they can watch some helicopter, yeah, it creates spark, so that is through air. Yeah, that is a high chance. Yes, robotics will play a vital role. Yeah, that is a high probability. Yes. In fact, I suspect that the ripples detected by LIGO-Virgo collaboration, they dictated such kind of ripples, not gravitational waves. Uh, Probably they detected a huge tsunami of these pressure waves created by cosmic scale mass defects some billions of light years away. That ripples, in fact, they detected such ripples, not gravitational wave. I am suspicious about the existence of gravitational wave. No, this space filling matter is a non-baryonic form, so that won't work. It's a non-baryonic matter. Its properties entirely different than non-baryonic matter such as atoms, molecules, etc. Protons, neutrons, electrons. So different types of substance. So such experiment won't work. Okay, see you later. Good night. I don't. I am suspectful about the existence of gravitational wave. I am not uh, convinced with the existence of gravitational wave because the detected ripples, as I said earlier, the detected ripples not necessarily gravitational wave. This something else. Yes. As I said earlier, if space is filled with something, the propulsion of light also, there may be some involvement in this. the propagation of light somehow is influenced by this space-filling substance. Perhaps light yeah. Hello, hello. Ashish Gupta. Uh, Thank you for your question. I mainly focus on my research-related questions. I expect such questions. Tidal lock, you can ask questions to GPT or Gemini tidal about tidal lock. So I am not discussing all phenomena here. Thank you anyway. Thank you for your. I appreciate your you can. I mainly focus on the relativity, general relativity related questions here. Anyway, I appreciate your question. Yes, in fact, once my theory is validated, it will impact all area of science and technology. For example, propulsion technology, energy generation technology, uh, space travel, uh, and in every way, different types of vehicle like UFO kind vehicle may we be able to develop such kind of vehicle without wings or uh, without evident propulsion systems. And yes, all the possibilities, the high possibility of uh, and time manipulation systems. Perhaps we will detect some kind of new type of signals, faster than light signals, and all the possibilities are there, probably we'll be able to observe or the universe in a different way. Some kind of signals may be present which may travel faster than the speed of light. It will be a paradigm shift. Okay, thank you for joining everybody. I'm I'm taking a break. See you tomorrow. Uh, I'm taking a break now. Thank you everyone for joining me. Thank you, His Highness, and everybody. Bye. See you next time. Good night. Have a nice day. Thank you, His Highness. See you tomorrow. See you next time. Thank you very much.